A little girl's letter warms the hearts of the ice hockey world. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz 60. Jordan Leopold was a defenseman for the NHL's Columbus Blue Jackets, until recently when he was traded to the Minnesota Wild. But the move was more than business. Playing for the Blue Jackets was tough on Leopold because he was living in Ohio while his wife and 4 kids stayed in their home state of Minnesota. His 11-year-old daughter, also named Jordan but spelled with a Y, wrote this letter to the Wild asking them to take her dad on their team. "I am lost without my dad, and so is my mom, my 2 sisters, and my brother." That was cute enough, but then she makes a killer argument. Well, to get to the point, the Wild have not been winning games, and you lovely coaches are most likely mad about that. But your team needs more D-men, so can you please ask the Jackets if you can get him? The deal was made before the team even got the letter, but reading it must have made them feel even better about the trade, and it may also have exposed a Jerry Maguire in the making. Buzz 60. Now you know. Pass it on.